Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a quick look at the May 2020 update, and also showing you that it's there's still a lot of people that don't have it. I get a lot of messages every day of people saying, well, I don't know why, but I'm not getting it, and there are all sorts of reasons and things that are preventing people from getting it. We're going to talk about that in the next video. This one, we're going to actually show you the market share. We've got the numbers of the market share for Windows 10 May 2020 update. So version 2004 is actually on 11.6% of PCs. And this number is from July 31st. So that tells you that we're not, there's not a lot of people that have it yet. A lot of people have been saying, well, it's weird that the rollout is so slow. Well, remember that this is not pushed to you. It is, as long as you are on a supported Windows 10 version that's not about to expire, this is supported. This is not going to be pushed to you unless you actually force it. So right now it's still in the state where only people that check Windows Update can see it on their Windows Update. And even then, you have to click the download and install. It's not going to install itself automatically. So this is the new way moving forward of getting Windows updates. These big feature updates, they're optional. So as long as you're not on a end of life Windows 10, you don't necessarily have this, and most people don't go and check Windows updates every day. So this is going to probably roll out slowly and slower than the previous versions. The May 2019 update was the last version that was pushed to everybody. Since then, they have changed it to an optional update. Only the October 2018 update, the October 2018 update version 1809, is the one getting pushed to version 2004. So that means that if you're on last year's builds, you're still not, unless you go and do what they call a seeker, you're not necessarily getting it. So only 1 out of 10 actually has this right now. So that's not a lot of people. 11.6%. Well, that's still a lot of people, but it's more than 100 million if we count the billion number, but it's a small number of you out there that still have it. Of course, the dominant versions are Windows 10 May 2019 and Windows 10 November 2019 updates. So together they actually are a little more than 80% of Windows 10 right now. So 80% of you are still in the one of the versions of last year in Windows 10, and it's fine. I mean, I always say it, you don't have to rush it. When it gets there, it gets there. We'll talk about some of the blockers in the next video that we know of, and we will also talk about give once again a few tips, because there's a lot of people that think because they have the latest machine they should see this. It doesn't work like that. And it's funny because a lot of people also are talking to me saying, well, manufacturers shouldn't have to update their drivers because of a new version of Windows. Yes, they do, and it's the manufacturer's job to do so, actually. And the manufacturers are the big problem for Microsoft, not Microsoft. Manufacturers are slow, sluggish, and they don't do the job at the speed that they should do, and a very simple reason why. They want to sell you another computer. So they are very sluggish, and the end of support of drivers for a lot of computers is way too short, and that causes problems. And that is a manufacturer issue and has nothing to do with Microsoft. And Microsoft is actually real good because Microsoft does send out a lot of drivers made by Microsoft themselves, because the manufacturers actually don't do anything. So I'm sorry, but that is really the PC manufacturer's problem, and they should actually do a much better job at upgrading. And we're going to talk about that in the next video. So if you're wondering if you're alone not getting the latest version of Windows 10, well, only 1 out of 10 has it right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.